Alright, so start off the process by opening up the J box. Get your J box off. What you want to do is separate the wires. You should have multiple sets of wires, a set of a hot, a neutral, and a ground going to one side of the system, and one light. And then basically on the other side, you notice you have a bunch of little different wires. One of these is labeled battery. See that right here? It's labeled battery. When you connect these two wires together, that energizes the battery. So when you're done with that, that leaves you with a black, a white, red, and a green. The white, red, this is going to be your switch tie. And this right here will be your hot, and your neutral, and your ground. Add these together. Those together. And you have that. So, you want to test your battery first. Screws push down right here. And install that wire. And if you notice, the light came on down there. I'll let you know that the emergency side is working. You can disconnect it. Now, what you should have is your power coming into the light. It'll represent this as power. So, you would essentially take your black, add those. And you will take and you will tie it to this black, to your power guide. Wire nut on it. Now, you have your light. Those two go together. Tie to your voltage, white and neutral. And of course you'll have your grounds. Now your grounds will tie together. Put those in there, wiring out of course. And that leaves you with the red, white, and your battery. As soon as your line voltage is tied on here, then you would turn on power. You would tie on your hot right here, and then of course your light fixture would be ready. If you want it switched so the whole fixture turns on and off, you would tie your switch leg onto the red, white, and that would be your switch top, and that would make this light turn on and off with the switch. If you don't want it with the switch, you can always take the red and white and tie it with the constant hot, and then of course the light fixture would be on 100% of the time. If you come to the fixture and you notice that the sticker is missing from the light fixture, and you're not sure which white it is, you can have them all tied together. If you just go through the light fixture one at a time, each white to the red, and you notice plug it in, and you notice no light. You can keep going to the next one, to the next solid white, and you notice no light. So then you go to the last one and try it. And now you notice your light came on, and that tells you that that white goes with the battery. So then you can twist these two pairs together so that you know this is your battery, just in case your battery sticker comes off. And then the rest will wire up just as we showed you.